Hello, we're back with some more Samsung junk here. This is another piece of that kit that I spoke about the other day when we did the refrigerator repair. We have dual band heating elements on this glass top, and you turn them on and they go straight to high on both. So we had to order those. Got the part numbers here. They're a regulator 01006B. There's no adjustment on those. You just have to make sure if it's a dual band, meaning it's got an inner and outer, that you do get a dual band regulator. There's singles, which is your small ones, and then dual is your double ring. So the only thing we're going to need to do here, we know it's our two outsides, so we'll take those knobs off. We'll have these two screws removed on each side. We're going to need a Phillips bit, which we'll do. We're going to pause the video here, slide this out, and show you how to replace these. All right, we're back. Make sure that anytime you work on any appliance, take the electric loose. This is 220 volts, definitely enough to get your attention. So we'll start by taking out these 5 screws, Phillips head screws with our trusty DeWalt that does not sponsor us yet. So here's the two parts that we're after. We're after this one and this one. So the best way to remember this, because there is several wire hookups there, we'll get our phone here. And we're going to take a picture of how these wires land, just so we know for reference. So we'll, both of these do wire up the same way, but we're going to take pictures just in case. So, want to grab these wires. You don't want to grab them by the wires, grab them by their fittings. Pull it out, move them out of the way. It's doing pretty good. That's probably our problem child right there. There we go. All right, we'll do that. Remove those 2 screws that we showed before. Now that we have that out, we want to open up our new one here. We're going to compare the 2 that we have here, make sure that they are the right part. Of course, looking at them here, identical. So that's what we're after. All right, so there's our old one. Here's our new one. Probably better put it in the right way. That would probably help. So. There we go. That one goes there. That one's gonna go there. If we stick these back in, the wires will help hold it so we can start the screws in the front. I don't ever like starting the screws with the impact driver. That way you can make sure you get them good and straight. Okay, use this for a screwdriver. We don't want to over torque these, just give them just a little shot. And there's that one. So we want over to our other side, do the same thing. Those ones right there are melted in, so I'm pretty sure that's going to be our problem with those. I like to take these switches apart and find out why they quit working. It seemed to be a really big issue. So. Do the same thing, take these screws out. We're going to pause the video there. We'll go ahead and finish this up, and then we'll get back with you when we're ready to try it out. All right, guys, we're back here. We're going to try these out, see how they work. We'll start out with the single band. It should just light up just the center, which it looks like that's all it's doing. Turn that baby down low. Then we'll do the same thing as this one here. Make sure, because when it was bad, they would go straight to high. So that one's doing its job. It kicked back off. You will notice when they're going bad, they will not kick off. They'll just keep getting hotter and hotter. So we're going to turn this one up to 8, see if it comes on. As it does. That one's still warming up. Try our high band out here. Turn it on low. I like it. It's a lot better. You can hear it kicking on and kicking off. So I can do that. So it's actually working. It's doing its job. All the rings lighting up, so that one's good. Yep. There we go. I hope this video helps. We're so tired of Samsung that we even changed our phones to iPhone. So that'd be our next unboxing. The wife and I both got the 16 Max Pros. We have that coming up. We have a Starlink review to do. Very satisfied with it. So we have some more stuff coming. It ain't just going to be fixing stuff and repairing stuff. So these parts was roughly, I'm thinking about 120 bucks a piece. I'm going to try to attach the eBay sellers in the description below. Still trying to learn how to do that. So they're very expensive. Samsung, you could do a lot better. We even looked into buying a new stove, and so you're 120 and 120, you're looking at 240 bucks. The average stove, $600-700 bucks just for a cheap one. You better be lucky, because we would have switched. I highly recommend staying away from anything Samsung. I hate to say that because my confidence was in them for years and years, but not no more. So thank you guys for your time. See you next video.